There's a bee being born. There's a bee being.
No, that's a drone, I think.
How can you tell?
I'm just trying to get a view, see if I can see. Oh, there's fresh larvae, but that's a drone.
Can go ahead and pull that one out. Coming in hot. It's a couple little flyers. I don't seem at all disturbed by you hanging out there.
They kind of get used to you, I think, after a while, and then they...
Actually, yeah, they're they're not really aggressive toward anybody.
And they can feel your energy too, I think, kind of.
Mm-hmm. Like you're not hungrily chasing after their honey. Hello, Sandy.